the milk.
Wow.
To make their cream. But look, they've built. And this is just the main plant, okay?
Yeah.
This is the phoenix, what they call the phoenix plant. They called it phoenix because it rose from the ashes.
Oh,
but see, there's another building over there.
Yes, and that's where the ice cream goes across there.
Yeah,
the
but they put an extension on the back of this one because the new ice cream they're making, they've got to change clothes if they go from one department. You have to go through the gate now.
Oh,
to
right.
To
yes.
But see, he's got.
And
see,
water treatment plant even.
Yeah, he does. Look, see the map? That's all. That's
Yeah.
what he's got at the moment. He's building onto it.
The nut house.
Eh?
He calls it the nut house.
Oh yeah, well they do because there's only nuts in it,
Yeah,
right?
only nuts in there. Yeah.
But that's good.
Wow,
But
that's
he put that gate on now, and he's got a full-time person on the gate.
Yeah.
Imagine the difference in the size of the place.
Oh yeah.
Because that was it.
Holy smokes.
I mean, I know it was an accident because it was. Cause
Yes.
John, like we knew John, and when Mike phoned John up and said, "You set the place on fire," and John said, "I did." I'm not putting you along there, so like those guys. Because around here there's that bend in the road, and you have to put it there.
No.
That is very bad sometimes. And so many people take it and then you go over the other side of the road.
Yeah. That's what we have on our road coming into our subdivision. It's like.
Right there. Small as just one.
80 cents? Yep. 82 and a half, 5. Yep. 80 cents and a half. Yep. 92 and a half. 95, 95, 5, 5, 7 and a half. That's a dollar bill. That one, 1, 2 and a half, 5, 105, 1, 2 and a half, 5, 5, 7 and a half, 5, 7 and a half. $1, 5, 6 and 7, $7, $6 and $11, $11, $10, $11,
Don't be the
So muddy in there. I said it's so muddy in there.
I know.
That's it. $60, I don't think so. So we can get what you want for that.
74, 75, 76. 5 12s of what? Tens? Half block tens, guys. You're halfway to the soup block. What do you been on that? 5 12s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 12. Highest bidder gets to choose. I did. 5 times the money on these hands here. What we been on now? Buck a piece. 50 units.
Oh.
How about one? One here, $125.
I want that today.
All right, 77 here. We'll put it on.
I'm sorry. I would eat too, but I couldn't catch
So
it.
much.
I don't need it. I don't like it.
Here, yours.
Alright, you guys, I know this is coming on the next day, but last night I was just tired. I actually fell asleep in the car today too, and we're out looking at farmers markets and flea markets and stuff. But today is our last day at the cottage here. My nanny's sleeping in the room next to me, so I gotta be quiet, because she didn't sleep well either last night. Today is our last day here in South Ontario. We're moving off to Ottawa tomorrow, which is still south, but it's almost in Quebec. So, and we're spending a few days there. We'll be going to the Parliament Hill War Museum, Air and Space Museum, and we'll see what else we get into there, but then we'll be heading home after this vacation that has been going very fast. But anyway, so yesterday I told you what we did at zoo yesterday. So the map doesn't look big, but it's big. We did over 11,000 steps. So I'll show you what we started here. We started here. And we made our way along here. See all these guys. And did the buildings and stuff. The buildings are cool. And then we came here. Went all around. Came down here. We didn't do the Canadian domain. I know on the map it doesn't look like a long walk, but it takes up to 30 minutes to get there by walking. Yeah. It's also a very steep hill, and really there's just a black bear, cougar, moose, water buffalo, so it's not much. So we came back down here, then we went to America's. We went to the Tronda, which wasn't very exciting because they were working on it, but they had the polar bears, of course. And then okay. Whatever. That's kind of freaky. I know Steve will probably say something about that. Make it wetland. I don't know. Oh yeah, I think you did do that one. So we came down here. Went to see the giant pandas. Now the pandas, I didn't tell you on the video, I don't think. They're the first 2 baby pandas that are born in Canada. They're here for 5 years and the parents have babies and stuff. That's pretty cool. And then we saw like something here and then we left and we left. We didn't do all this because, yeah. But that's what we did. We had Laura and Dylan Sarah over, came with us. Bill C. Max Stanley. And he had to work sadly, so he wasn't there. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff on this trip I'll show you when we get home and stuff. But there's some more stuff I want to show you around the cottage and stuff, so we'll go do that now. Yeah, so we're leaving tomorrow for Ottawa. We're going to go up a different way. We're going to go up, past where my mom's old family cottage was and check that out. And then we'll go head off to Ottawa and stay at a friend's house there. Hopefully they have Wi-Fi, because they don't have Wi-Fi here. And I'm so backed up on emails and videos and Facebook stuff and pictures that I gotta post. Ran out of data on my phone. So I've been using my dad's a bit at night, checking my Facebook and stuff, but that's it. And so that storm that we saw last night, we were just leaving Orangeville. That's where Bill lives. And there was a bad tornado storm kind of thing coming when we just left. So that kind of sucked, but we got a good view of it. My cousin said he saw a big funnel cloud and stuff, so I could tell it was not going to be pretty with the clouds. It was like that day that we had at the other market that we went to, but yeah, so can't tell if it's thundering or not. I think it said it was supposed to, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed here. Well, I don't need to get dressed. There, I got dressed. And we will head off to see the thing I want to show you guys. But we can't go on it because it's very broken now. Alright, so I was being lazy, as you can tell. I think it's gonna rain here soon, so we're gonna make this quick, but not too quick, because I want to fill up this video and stuff. So We're gonna go see a bunker. I don't want to go in it because I heard it's really bad shape. This must be the fort that my other cousins are making. So last time I was here, which is 9 years ago, I made this fence here. What I should have really done is make them a new one when I was here, but anyways, it would have been nice and stuff for them. But yeah, totally forgot. This is my first time actually being down here since we got here like 5 days ago. We've been out, and yesterday we were in Toronto. We left at 7 here, and we got back at what, 9, 10 o'clock, so yeah. What is this? Not too sure what that is. Bit muddy back here. Here we go. Yeah, so there it is. It's the bunkie. So cool, huh, guys? Pretty cool. I'm gonna go see the dock. We got the boat out now. You saw that me driving it a few days ago. A valid boating license. I know. You're the only boat on the lake, really. So it wasn't too bad. Go with my sample. Right now, I'm just trying to build this video so I can post it, make another one and stuff. We're gonna go check out the dock. Sorry for pointing at the ground. I'm just trying not to get my grandparents' license plate so I don't have to edit it out. Or blur it, I mean. Yeah, I feel like blurring it right now. Well, when I get to it in a few days. So I think this will be the 16th video that I have made in this trip, and we still got more to go. I know I'll do one tomorrow, and 2 in Ottawa are free. And on the way home, I'm not gonna film anything. I don't think. I'm just gonna end it there so I can just sleep on the way home this time. Anyway, let's go check out the water the last time. I know I haven't shown you much, but yeah, we've been doing fishing at night, and it's impossible to do stuff at night with this camera. But at night, there's like 1,000 fireflies out here. There's a cool little thing for you. Gotta watch out for snapping turtles here. Cause they lay their eggs in the gravel here. Smart place, huh? That's what we saw when we first came here. Excuse me. That's just a log. I thought you were going fishing.
Working on it.
Yeah, so this is the cottage right here, and this is a man-made lake. It's not like it was placed here by God or anything. It's a man-made lake. Here's a canoe that we take out a few times. I had planned on doing a video on canoeing. Got GoPro and stuff ready. Got out in the water, turned it on, battery dead. I had it fully charged, but I guess I left the Wi-Fi on it to check something, and the Wi-Fi killed the battery. So, and it had the LEDs off. For last time I was using it, and I just forgot to turn them on, and I just didn't notice. But anyways, yeah. And another thing coming up, in Ottawa, where we're staying, his friend's house has a field. I got a new drone horse here, and it has a phone thing for it so I can watch it. So I might take that thing up really high and see how it works. And hopefully it doesn't break. I always want to fly a drone in the field because where we live, there's no fields. Back here is a field. The farmer was spraying it a few days ago with his tractor. But yeah, so got a lot of new monster trucks from flea markets and stuff. But yeah. More property and stuff. So that's gonna do it for today. I think I got enough, I'm not too sure. If I don't, I don't, but I think I got a lot. Like, how long have I been filming here? 2 minutes. So I think I got enough video to post. But, so, can I get off my camera, please? Thank you. That's it from the cottage. We'll see you guys. We're gonna leave tomorrow morning and head up to Ottawa, which is all the way back where we came from when we entered Ontario. So yesterday was our last day in Toronto, Orangeville area, which is sad. Said goodbye to Bill T. Max and my grandparents there. Spent a few days with my cousin there too, but he had to work last night, so we couldn't say goodbye. So good thing we said goodbye like a week ago. Together we went to see Pirates in the Caribbean. We went fishing, had a campfire, talked a lot. And so it was a nice few days with him. Of course, you know, we get along together nicely. And yeah, it's been a nice vacation so far, but very tiring, very, like, driving everywhere. We didn't get to do everything we wanted, which sucks, because I really wanted to go to Niagara Falls, but we didn't get a chance to. Now we're leaving that area tomorrow, and I think Dad wants to be back by the 24th. The 24th or 25th. And back to life. Gotta get a job. But, is this recording? You better be. Yes, okay. Yeah, just a lot of talking right now. I'm gonna go start packing up some stuff and have a nap. I'm, like, dead tired. But, so yeah, thanks for watching for today, guys. Just a lot of random stuff for today's video, but tomorrow should be a bit more cooler and stuff. Heading up to Northern Ontario a bit, and we're going to come straight back to south. So yeah, we went past Lake Huron today a bit, but didn't see much of it, so I didn't film it. But hey, Deb. But yeah, so that's it for today. So thanks for watching, you guys. And we'll see you tomorrow up early again. And it's only a 5-hour drive, so it's not that bad, but we'll be stopping places and taking our time. So,
I dare you to drop this on your foot.
no. So, yeah. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Big movie crew here. Go huge.
He was with it. I think he went back for more.
Dylan, air it out.
There's lightning over there.
Alright, we're leaving Orangeville, and there's this ginormous storm coming in. like the same kind of clouds as yesterday. So we're gonna have to keep our eyes open. 'Cause that over there does not look good.
Wait. No, that does not look good at all.
So let's get out of this town.
Move to think about was getting away from there and fast. And switch the fire and the noise, the other animal right then we was about to have some visitors. Are you Adam? Your brother, my friend Nakoma? Yes, I am. I am Watani, chief of the Kootenai tribe. It is so. Nakoma has told us of your wondrous ways of healing animals. And the spirit of the great bear tells us it is true. And Nakoma told me it's good answer. Why is the fur piece down there, ain't it?
How come the house is there?
That's little fella. That's nice. That's cool. The bellows boss. And when she was ready, I decided to take her up for a ride all by myself.
I just hear the boat. You've got to put pose a girl up the back. Left hind leg there, two boys. 70, 70, 70, 70, we're down to 70, 16. Down to 62 in the hand, down to 62 in the hand, 2 in the hand, down to 62 in the hand, down to 65. That's 65, 65, 2 in the hand, into the 5, 5, 5, down to 62 in the hand, into the 5 here. Down to 62 in the hand, into the 5, down to 67 in the hand, 70. 70 in the hand, 2 in the hand, 72 in the hand, half. Down to 70.
Where did Dad?
I think we were on that side.
$1.